Hi guys, so I'm going to attempt some planking here with Rudy. Oh, my Fitbit just broke. This could be a little crazy. I don't know if you can see that, but he just scratched my face pretty bad there, so that's nice. I usually set a timer for 1 minute, and I've done one round. So I'm going to try this again, and I usually just kind of keep my head down to protect my face. It didn't work so great last time, but we will see how it goes. So, yeah. Okay, so here we go. I'm pressing start. I have his toy donut in case he needs something to play with. Hopefully this will work. Good boy. Give me your donut. Give me your donut. I'm not sure that my form is the best right now. Due to this little dog. Rudy. I think he may have turned my timer off. Usually, chasing the dog around is more of a workout than actually doing the planks. Oh, there's the timer. We did it. Yes. Just curious, do you guys do planks? Do you love them, hate them? Do you have any obstacles? Not equating children to dogs at all. I have 4 of my own, but sometimes children require a lot of attention. So maybe you can relate in a small way to having distractions when you're trying to work out. Now that our children are grown, Rudy and his big brother Max are my biggest distractions. So I'd love to hear from you. Thanks, guys. Bye. Hey guys, I'm Lori from LoriGarin.com. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below. I really hope you liked it.